So you're a Scrum Master and you are running your Agile project with your team, which also means you are handling a lot of help desk tickets, bug reporting, internal requests, all the things. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these really simple, automate them, as well as how to integrate them with your regular task management for your Agile projects. Hi everybody, I'm Yvonne Heimann with AskEV.com and I am a business efficiency consultant for digital entrepreneurs. And if you are ready to simplify your business, go hit that subscribe button because today we are talking about simplifying your help desk ticketing system without spending an extra dime and getting yet another tool. But more on that at the end of the video, so stick around. Let's start in the beginning with the actual issue. You're running an Agile project management team, and that means you are getting requests internally from the team. Hey, this is not working right. You might be getting requests and bug reports externally from users, from clients, whatever it is that say, hey, this is not working. There's requests coming from everywhere. You need to manage them. You need to throw them in your sprints. You need to make the team aware of it. You need to sort them by topics. You need to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. And it's like, we've all been there. There's an easy solution. Let's build a ticketing system that easily integrates with your task management of your Agile projects and lets your team see what's happening and what the user experience is. Let's head on over to my sandbox and we'll get the technicality out of the way to make sure you are setting this up where and how it needs to be. And then we are talking about how to integrate this into your existing workflow. Shall we? Let's head on over to my sandbox. You might have already seen the setup. This is one of ClickUp's template. If not, and you have missed the other videos that I've been doing about Agile Project Management made easy, go check the description below. I got the playlist right there for you. Now in today's video, we want to make sure you get that set up right and you are not getting stuck with having to clean all of this up. We're gonna get you jump started right away and skip all of that learning curve, shall we? Cool. You have your regular tasks and the sprints. We're not going to be talking about this. For support tickets, tip number 1, set up a separate folder for your support tickets only. Now the question is going to be, do you need multiple forms? You can set up one form and say, hey, this is a user issue. Hey, this is an internal issue. Hey, this is a bug report based on this, and that. I will give you some visuals here in a second. We can do that within one form. If the questions are the same, you can do that with a drop-down menu and we can sort them based on that drop-down menu right here in ClickUp. Now, if your questions are different and you really want to drill down on the focus of your ticketing system, I recommend set up multiple lists and we are connecting one form to each list and each list is your focus point. For the sake of today, we are going to go with our list and we're going to name this little puppy Bug Reports. Most of us have bug reports, no matter if it's internally or externally, so use that. Now, with the structure right here in ClickUp, to set up a form that you can send out and have your tickets be submitted, you need to go into that list. Please go into the list for your bug reports to set up the bug form. And we do that right down here by choosing the form and say bug submissions. Hey, I even spelled it right with a capital U, but who cares? Now you have a form in ClickUp. This form is straight up connected to the bug reports list because we set it up in that list. If you build a secondary list, set up your secondary form in that secondary list. You cannot move forms. The only thing you can do is duplicate a list, which duplicates the form, and then you can adjust it. Once a form is set up, it is not movable. So please really drill down on how you want to sort these things. Cool? Okay, we got that one out of the way. Now, I mentioned before, there's 2 ways of sorting your bug reports, your ticketing, your help desk. One of them is choosing different lists and building different forms in those lists. Another way is adding a drop-down field called topic of issue, I don't even know, whatever we want to do. And then you say tech, you say mobile, I don't even know. However you want to sort them, this is a single choice and you then can sort them by that. I will show you here in a second the specific use case scenario and how this looks and how this works on ClickUp's own bug form, okay? Cool. For now, how do we actually build a bug form to be used with our Agile project management? One of the big things is you want to drag in your task name. That is going to be what that task is named. In ClickUp's case, it's the question of, hey, can you describe your issue in like 3 to 5 words? You can change the task name right here to make it make sense in your form. Cool? You also can go through here and use attachments. You can use due date, assignee, sprint points. This comes down to you wanting to use it internally or externally. So again, how do you use it? What do you need? Everything past that, go into custom fields. Again, you've heard this before if you've been around on my channel. If you have a custom field that already exists that you want to reuse right here, use your existing fields and find it. Use the search bar, pull it in, whatever you need. Cool? Reuse it. Don't double up your custom fields, please. Other than that, some awesome text. I cannot spell. And we create this. Now, Evie, where the hell did it go? Easy. It plugs it into the list down here and you just pull it over. You always can choose to change the topic of whatever they need to submit. So you can change some more awesome text at any given time. You can choose if it's required. You also can make it a hidden field, add it to the task description, all the things. As well as, do you want to have all of the information that is being filled in these custom fields added to your task description within ClickUp? That's what that does, as well as keeping all the fields full width rather than making a 2-column where it's applicable. You can add a read capture, you can take out the ClickUp branding. Again, there's a whole bunch of how-tos, how to do this. I really just want to get you started on forms to use as a help desk ticketing system. Now let's look at ClickUp's bug reporting and how they manage it. When we go into ClickUp's submit a bug, this is a ClickUp form. ClickUp themselves uses ClickUp forms to submit your bugs. So let's compare these two and see how you really can do this. Your logo. Cool. Your topic. Also cool. Plug in some additional information. That is your form description right there. Now, could you please describe this bug in 1 sentence? That is your task name. That way you have a short description in the task name of what is this about? Any useful links you could provide us. I am guessing this is probably a simple text custom field right here in ClickUp Forms to allow you to plug in whatever you want, no matter if it's a URL, if it's just regular text, if it's numbers. So use a text field for that. Then what are the steps to reproduce this bug? Again, that is a text field. Where are you experiencing this? These are tags within ClickUp because it's a multi-choice. If you need multi-choice, use a tag custom field. Which feature is this bug related to? Again, multiple choices, so you use a tag custom field. Drag and drop files here. There's 2 ways of accomplishing that within a ClickUp form, which once is the attachment standard one, which you can already find up here, right, hiding underneath there. There is the attachment one, as well as the ClickUp files custom field. Now let's keep going. What else are they using in here? How severe is this bug? As this is a single choice, this is a drop-down field that they simply didn't give colors. It's just white and black. You're gonna see on the bottom how it looks like when you use a drop-down field that you actually add colors to it. How does this make you feel? Again, single choice. This is a drop-down field. And down here, again, a drop-down field. This time, the answers have been color-coded. And that's how easy it is to build a help desk ticketing system right here in ClickUp. Now, moving forward, what do we do with this? We have every bug that has been submitted right here in your list. And this is where subtasks in multiple list comes in. You are now choosing your tasks and you can add them to another list This is how you now would assign your bug reports to your sprints. Another way that you can handle these is based up on your customer journey of these are all the same bugs, but we have a submission from this user and that user and that user and that user. This is where you take this specific form submission, turn this into a subtask to your main task, which is the issue you already know about, and you put your customer journey right underneath them of these bug reports saying, hi, this doesn't work quite right. And you really have all of those data points right underneath that major bug to have the issues that it's causing ready for your Agile project management team to know exactly what's going on and have all the data they need to squish this bug. And that's how easy help desk ticketing for an Agile management system is right here in ClickUp. Subtasks and multiple lists for the win. And if you haven't seen it yet, there's a video right there that shows you how we use these tickets and this bug reporting within a dashboard to make it really easy for your team to stay on top of it. And have you subscribed yet? No? Hit the button. I'll see you in the next video.